Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are planning in my Catchall planner. It is the Beauty in Florals Classic Size Happy Planner and it is for the week of July 12th through the 18th. I am going to be using the Wanderlust sticker book from Live Love Posh. I have been absolutely obsessed with this book. So I am going to create a very fun, whimsical spread using these really bright summer florals. So we have blue, pink, and yellow, and these colors go really fantastically together. So the first corner is in. If you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so very much. I hope that you like and enjoy here. And if you are here for the first time, hello, I really hope you like it here, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe. So I am using this sticker book and I am placing some flowers all around to add a really colorful full spread. These stickers are absolutely gorgeous and they are a tiny bit big, but that's okay. I don't mind cutting them off the edges, snipping the tips a little bit. So this weekend I am going to be doing some glamping, possibly, we shall see. So I thought it's the perfect spread to use this beautiful camping stickers. Aren't they beautiful? So we have a cooler and a little RV. And then some folding chairs. So just really cute stuff. Okay, let's add that. And then glamping. Okay, I'm just gonna add this lantern. It is so adorable. And I really like it. And let's add some wine. Happy camper. How funny is that? I'm gonna add those 2 cups in there. And I'm gonna add the light. Okay, and I'm gonna hang that light from the flowers, sort of, so that will look much better. So let's take a look. And I think I'm gonna sneak this right under just a tiny bit. Okay, I'm just gonna fix it so it looks really well. Okay, like so. And that looks great, at least to me. And then this glamping is a bit too busy, so I'm gonna switch that right there, and I think that's great. Okay, and I need to add like 1 or 2 things to finish off this spread, and I'm gonna take these really fun lights and spread them across my spread. I think that's gonna look quite neat and fun. Okay. I hope you guys like this. To me, it's super fun. Just gonna cut off the edges of the stickers to make sure nothing is sticking out. And I'm going to go ahead and add a checklist so I can go ahead and focus on some tasks on most of those days. There we go. And again, some really nice checklist. I really love working with this stencil from the Happy Planner. So if you see those faint lines, they're kind of bluish. They let you line up your sides so you're perfectly straight. How smart is that? So if you don't have one, they are usually sold out, but when they come back in stock, just be alert because they are truly beautiful. And they probably fly off the shelves because this will save you so many stickers. Imagine looking for a sticker for each of those to-do lists. So I enjoy stencils. I'm gonna add some boxes really quick. So this is the Mojo Jojo colorful sticker boxes. And I'm gonna add some blues and pinks and yellows to incorporate this spread. Look at these blues. Oh my gosh. So the boxes are going down. Let's see. Yep. Few more. There we go. And I need at least one more pink. Yeah, that will work since it's so faint. Okay. Yeah, I think this is great. I'm gonna pop it back into my planner, and I truly hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let me know down below and have a great week. Bye.